In the previous video, we saw how to change the color and use a tuple for it. It's very good, but now I would like to create this code more efficient. So I would like to create a function for it. So here I would like to create definition. It means function, and it will be called random color. So this function will generate a random color anytime I will call this function. So it means here I would like to import random, okay, and we will create this function. So the function or the color has three colors, R, G, and B. It means red, green, and blue. So, and we will create a random color, and it will be R, G, and B. So it means these variables will be here, okay? And we will return the random color. So the result of the random color, or maybe I will call it my color, okay? Because it has the same name like the function. So I will create a my color, and there will be R, G, and B, so these variables, and we will return the my color, okay? So now I need to create R, G, and B color. So it means I only need to create random numbers between 0 and 255. So I will use the random. It's the module which we imported here, and there is a rand int. So it means random integer between 0 and 255. So this will be the same for R, G, and B. So it will create random numbers, and we will create a new color. So I will try to print it, okay? So random color, I will call it. Don't forget that every function has two parts. The first part is to create a function, and the second part is call it. Okay, so I will run it. Okay, and you can see we have these numbers. I will run it again. Okay, we have different numbers. Again, different numbers, and so on and so on. Perfect, I like it. So it means these numbers R, G, and B are random, and we will create a tuple R, G, and B, and we'll store in my color, and we will return the my color. So if I will print the result, so it means what is returned by this random color function. So you will see we have a tuple of random color. Again, different color, again, different color, and so on and so on. Perfect, I like it. So we have a function. Here we have a turtle pen size, that's okay. I don't need my color, and here I will only call the random color, okay, like this. So this function will return my color. Here will be my color, and it will be a pen color. So we will see. Okay, perfect. Again, different color, and you can see we have completely random color. Okay, every time it's different. Okay, perfect. So this was so we connected the tuple. We connected with a function with random generated numbers, and you see how it works. Okay, so don't forget, at first we need to create the function, and after that we have to call the function, and the result will be what is returned.